Hello everyone and welcome back to my subscribers. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel and don't forget to like and share the video. In this video I'm going to talk about the Taurus TX22. Now this is a newer 22 at the time of this making, and I've found this gun to be very nice. And this is not going to be a review video on it, but it's more along the lines of I'm going to show you how to fit an aftermarket front sight. Now I've shot this gun for probably a little over 1,000 rounds now. I haven't cleaned it yet, so it's still quite dirty. But I'm finding that with the sights the way they come, with the it has adjustable rear sight for up, for windage and elevation basically, but it shoots about 6 inches high at 25 yards for me. And I wanted to try to get that down a little bit more. It shoots pretty good up close, say 7 yards and such, but at 25 yards it shoots a little high. Now I know this picture you're seeing right now is, the bullets are all over the place, but you got to think, I'm not a precision shooter when it comes to pistols. I like to shoot fast, so as soon as the shot breaks, I'm prepping the trigger for the next shot. So I'm shooting this group, if you will, at a very quick pace compared to a bullseye type shooter. But anyways, let me talk about this front sight here. It's a plastic front sight. It comes out with a set screw on the inside of the gun, so you have to take it apart to get to it. And I took a close look at it, and it appears to be very similar to a Glock front sight. Almost. So there will need to be some fitting to the front sight we're going to put in there, but I think it's going to work. So let's see if we can do that, and I'll show you what I mean here. So first of all, we're going to empty the gun, make sure it's empty, and then we're going to take it apart. Taking it apart on this is pretty simple. I'm right-handed. I'm going to grab it with my right. Boom. Gun's put back together. Oh yeah. Most likely I'll probably come back and I'll blacken out these 2 white dots because I'm not a 3-dot person by any means. But there you have it. The TX22 with a red dot sight. Not too bad fitted. Like I said, just you'll have to risk damaging something. So as long as you're okay with it. Well, as always, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.